So I want to copy something from my PC to the pen drive, and I got this message. Let me show you. See, it says you will need to provide administrator permission to copy to this folder, and I just continue. Then it says you need permission to perform this action, so it doesn't work. So let's just cut it down and just close your screen and see. If you have total security quick help, then that's issue. So just open quick help, then go into the privacy, see secure external drive data is on. If it is on, just turn it off. Okay, enter the password, click OK, and if it is off, it's off. Let's see. Again, open USB and okay, see, are you sure to want copy? Yes, I'm sure. It works.